You probably already heard this, but the Unity CEO, John Riccitiello, is retiring. And now they have a new CEO coming in, James Whitehurst from IBM and Red Hat. It seems like, looking back through his experience, he spent a lot of time at Red Hat and Delta and basically running big companies like this. So it should be an interesting thing and an interesting change. Now, I feel like this is something that a lot of people were asking for, a lot of people were very excited about, and it may have had something to do with why he's left. I honestly have no inside info and no idea why exactly he ended up leaving. It could also just be that he's done and ready to do something new. Could be the combination of being a little bit ready to do something new and all of this stuff going on. And it could just be, who knows, other random personal things. I honestly don't know. But I think it's going to be interesting to see what kinds of changes we see going forward. I think that one, I'm a little bit curious what's going to happen with Linux support, only because the new interim CEO was the CEO for Red Hat, which is a Linux distribution for a really long time, and then at IBM after that. I wonder if maybe that'll get a little bit of extra love. I'm also curious, though, if they're going to go into more cost cutting mode, if there's going to be new layoffs or more layoffs, especially while they have an interim CEO before they get a final CEO. Might be the right time when they do a bunch of cuts and stuff. And then that person, the new guy isn't taking as much heat for it when they come in. I'm also really curious to see who they end up picking as a CEO. I don't know anything about CEO selection, so you know, I'm curious to learn a little bit more about it and see how that process plays out. I really want to know what everybody else thinks. I really just wanted to make this video for the comments and to see what everybody thinks. Is this going to be enough to change most people's minds? Is this something that you think was a good idea? Do you think it's even related, or do you think that this is the primary cause, or do you think that this was something that maybe was going to happen anyway and just now was a good time for it? I'm curious. I'm kind of waiting to see what happens, and I'd love to know what you think. So just drop a comment down below and let me know, and I'll see you in the next video.